All right, Nisha the PA, we are live.
Hi guys, it's Nisha the PA over here at Dr. Emer's office, and today we're doing one of my favorite treatments in order to remove hair. This is the Mediostar by Asclepion. Now there's a couple of reasons why I really enjoy the Mediostar and why I think this is just one of the greatest devices on the market. Number one, look how quick treatment is. Now, right now this is my client's fourth treatment. He already notices a lot of hair reduction. We're treating his back, and he gave you a little bit of a nod. We're treating his back and his upper shoulders, and he's had really amazing results. Now, typically, we recommend that you do anywhere on average about 6 treatments per treatment area, but you're going to notice a lot of hair reduction before then, but of course, you may have a couple little areas that we need to treat. Now, why do I really like the Mediostar by Asclepion? Number one, look at the interface of this laser. This is such a huge area, which means we can treat things like the back, the arms. We can do full body laser hair removal really, really quick because this interface is really large, which is not very common for a lot of laser hair machines. We also have a smaller interface on this one to get in those little nooks and crannies. But we really like this one if we're going to treat a large area. Now, another great thing I really like about the Asclepion laser is look at this gold interface. This is not just decorative. Not only does it look really, really pretty, but this actually has a purpose. This pre-cools the area, so the treatment is a lot more comfortable. So what you'll see me doing is pre-cooling the area first. So if you're able to feel his skin feels really cold. And then I'm going to go ahead and treat just like this. So this takes a little bit of the stinging that some patients report out of laser hair removal. Sometimes patients will refer to it as a snapping rubber band. That makes it a little bit more comfortable when I can pre-cool the area. Doesn't affect the treatment, it actually makes it better. And then look at this. You can hear the hair snapping. You guys hear that? You'll hear the little hair snapping. Now, we already know how many treatments, on average 6, right? What do you feel? We already just said you feel rubber band snapping, a little bit of coldness because we're pre-cooling with the gold interface. And another big question a lot of my patients ask is, what is the downtime? Well, with the Asclepion lasers, there's no downtime at all, guys. You guys can go out the very same day. Of course, you want to make sure you avoid the sun before and after treatment, but this is really a no downtime.
Nisha, how long does it take to do the lower back?
I mean, look, I am just about done, and we just started, what, a few minutes ago?
Guys, we're 3 minutes in right now.
3 minutes in, just to treat the lower back. That should let you know how quick laser hair removal can go. Now, of course, this is only due to the fact that we're using such a great device, which is the Mediostar by Asclepion. Look at this large interface, which means I can treat a big portion of the lower back all at the same time, really, really quickly. We have a smaller interface if you're going to treat things like the face, if we're going to do things like the bikini line, but this is really great to treat big areas like the lower back. I am literally almost done with his lower back. So you don't need a lot of time. Perfect. And we're going to make sure we get these sides over here. You guys may hear a little bit of snapping. That's the hair. What you may notice after treatment is a little bit of perifollicular erythema and edema. That's when the hair follicle gets a little bit swollen. That's to be expected. Over the course of the next week after your treatment, the hair will gradually start to fall out. In his case, this is treatment number 4 out of 6. His hair reduction has already gone down. The hairs have become thinner. So now he's looking at really towards the tail end of treatment. You may need more than 6. It really just depends on the area that we're treating.
People are asking, what are you doing and is there any downtime?
There's no downtime to this, guys. Remember, this is Mediostar laser hair removal by Asclepion. So no downtime. This is the last time I'm going over his lower back or his full back. And this is how quick treatment is. Very, very quick. I'm pre-cooling first, which is why you see me going up and down. I'm cooling with this gold interface. And then I'm going to start his treatment. going to his upper shoulders. Honestly, you guys have been here the whole time when I first started doing his upper back. It takes a matter of minutes when we're using a device like this. You're gonna pre-cool, minimal downtime, on average about 6 treatments. You're gonna notice a decrease in hair, and the hair will become gradually thinner and thinner. And we can treat everywhere. So just like that, I'm all done with his upper back. I'm gonna go ahead and treat his shoulders. It's the same concept. I'm gonna pre-cool first with this gold interface. This is what makes Mediostar by Slepion so great, is because not only does it have a large interface, but it has a cooling system that's already built into the handpiece, which makes the treatment not only really quick, but it also makes it really comfortable. Remember, on average, you're gonna need about 6 treatments, anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks apart, depending on what area that we're treating. You might notice a little bit of perifollicular erythema and edema, and then the hair is gonna go ahead and fall out. I'll show you. Remember, guys, if you have any questions, make sure you guys know how to reach out to us. Email us, first name, last name, email address. You can slide in the DMs. We will reach out to you, come up with a treatment plan, and we'll figure out what's the best treatment for you depending on what we're going to do. Now, if you guys have any questions, you guys know how to get in contact with us. This is Nisha the PA, Dr. Emer's office, and until next time, I'll see you guys then. Bye, guys.